Today I'm gonna do unboxing of Hermes Roulis. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. First and most, I want to say happy Valentine's to everybody. Every single person deserves love in this world, and I hope you're gonna get your love, and it can be in any form. It doesn't have to be a partner. It could be love for art, it could be love for handbags, it could be love for jewelries. Happy Valentine's. I wish you the best Valentine's ever. And today we're gonna do unboxing of my Hermes Roulis. So there you go guys, here is the box that I'm gonna unbox today. Obviously proof of purchase, and I'm gonna share price later on. So let's just do it together. Absolutely excited about this item. And this item was actually on my wish list for this year 2021, because I really want to get some kind of flap bag from Hermes. Usually also Hermes include like item number, what it's made of, etc. And then you have also a booklet. So there you go. Ta-da! Let me show you guys. So here is my new Hermes Roulis Mini, or sometimes people call it 18, 19. It's actually very confusing. So there you go. Let me remove from this dust bag, because it has two dust bags for the handbag and for the strap itself. Let me just arrange everything, and then I'm gonna start talking about this beautiful handbag, what it's made of, what kind of leather. So first and most, you can see that it has a strap which is not removable. On one side it's completely attached to this ring, and on the other side you have this mechanism, like, you know, with the spring that you can attach to the other round ring right there. So let me kind of, and it's actually very easily goes in, and there you go. So as I promised guys, I'm gonna tell you the price of this handbag, and obviously the price is in Canadian dollars. I heard rumors that Hermes gonna increase prices this year, but I mean everybody does. Louis Vuitton increased prices, Chanel increased prices. The last year Chanel increased prices like, oh my gosh, for almost 30% more. So this handbag in this specific leather, Barenia Faubourg with permabrass, and it's Roulis Mini, cost 8,450 Canadian dollars before taxes, and in Toronto we have 13% taxes. So total purchase $9,548.50. So in case if you really wondering about the prices, if you think it's a good investment for yourself. This handbag perfect for a crossbody or shoulders, etc. And I'm gonna come a little bit closer and show to you what is this handbag. So first and most, I want to tell you exactly what this handbag is made of. This handbag made of traditional leather. This is Barenia Faubourg leather, and it's in unique ebony color. This color been long time out of production, let's put it this way. And I actually put a poll on my Instagram, and overwhelming number of people say that they don't like this handbag, but I do love, so therefore I definitely purchased it. This handbag has a back pocket, and let me show you inside. Inside it has almost like a two main compartment, then you have a slip pocket at the back, and then you have slip pocket between. And it has a permabrass, or some people call it rose gold hardware. Absolutely love this handbag. The unique things about this handbag that it's made, first and most, permabrass is not quite common, rose gold is not very often Hermes does it, so this is already unique. The second thing that it's actually made of Barenia, and there is a new style of leather. Barenia is the very first, the most traditional leather for Hermes. They used to make saddles from this leather, but the old style of Barenia, it's kind of like very smooth and shiny. This style of Barenia has a grains, like you can see the grains, but it's still the same technique and the same leather. Because it has the grains, it's a little bit more resistant to scratches. And oh my gosh, the smell of this leather, that's how you can actually identify the original Barenia leather, because it's very small number of people knows the technique how to dye and how to manufacture this leather. It takes very long time. This leather is very unique. It requires very specific tanning process, which known to very small number of craftsmen or artisan. Barenia is double tanned in chrome and vegetables dye, then soaked in a mix of 9 different oils for 5-6 weeks process. So it's really long process to actually manufacture this leather. It has very waxy like, you know, sensation, kind of like really waxy feel. I don't know, I think it even has a waxy look, you can see it. And the unique things also about this leather, even from the first glance when you look at it, it's almost right away looking kind of like a old, you know what I mean? It's almost looking like a old, and some people don't like it because they think it's, oh my gosh, it's already looking old. But that's the beauty of this leather, that it actually ages very well. It's in time, it actually even gets better. It's gonna get smoother, shinier. It's gonna develop a beautiful patina. Though this one is not a natural color of the leather, it's been dyed already to this ebony color, very beautiful. And this color is kind of deep dark chocolate, and you can see it's on the cooler side. It almost has kind of like white undertone. Absolutely gorgeous. I will try to do also my modeling shots for you guys. And the beautiful things about this handbag, because it looks small, but it actually fits a lot. Maybe in some other video I will do a specific video of what fits inside, and I'm gonna put a number of different items that you can see what actually fits inside this handbag, and I absolutely love it. The coolest things also about these handbags that you can actually do either the long strap that you can put it on your shoulders, or if you want, you can also do the double. Let me just do for you double, because you can go through this loop twice, and it can be as a double. So there you go. You can see that you can actually do a double, and it's very easy to do. I just changed this little, I don't know, what do you call this, little thingy, the mechanism going from one loop to other one, and that's how it's going double. So when it's double, yeah, I can easily put it just under the arm, or I can once again make it long shoulders or crossbody. Absolutely love this handbag. It's definitely casual. It's very understated, like really low-key handbag that not many people even know about it, and that's what I love about this handbag. I look forward using this handbag, especially in the summertime, as much as possible. And I love that it has these loops that I can put some kind of twilly in different color and kind of, you know, funk it up. So there you go guys. This is my new Hermes Roulis. Extremely excited. This is my handbag number 4 from Hermes. From Hermes I have Evelyn TPMs that I actually give it as a gift to my daughter. I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. I have Hermes 2424 in Turilium Maurice leather. Once again, it's fairly new leather for Hermes. I have my Kelly 28 in Epsom leather, black with the gold hardware, and this is my 4th handbag, and I'm extremely excited because it's in traditional Hermes leather, Barenia Faubourg, and it has perma brass hardware. I mean, what else can you ask for if you want to have like truly some kind of traditional touch of Hermes? So there you go, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like my video. If you have any questions in regards to my Hermes Roulis, please don't hesitate, put your questions and comments below, and I will try to answer them if I can. If you like my channel enough, please consider subscribing, hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.